Hello there, having a good phone call, 0345,
Yeah,
handheld.
I'm keeping the...
Let's just check your registration. MX56 VRR. A 345 number dialed, then he started speaking on it. Old phone. I wonder what he's doing. W19KNW. You see I hold that phone, he's talking. On the phone I could see an active phone screen. He's clearly talking right now. Carry on, mate. OW19KNN. Fucking hell, mate. Safe and stored. AY15XUE. I had to brake to a complete stop. That was really careless. Careless? Oh, fuck it, it's a cyclist. It's probably more likely what it was. I guarantee if I'd been in a tipper lorry, he would not have turned across my path. FNF Logistics SR15XYZ.
Well, this guy, you're gonna catch me with a GoPro.
Talking to F. Brewski. Hi, Mr. Brewski. I am. Should you be holding the phone and talking?
What phone?
What phone? The one that's in your lap that you're denying exists. I think you should say goodbye to your mate, because he's driving and holding his phone.
Yeah, he is.
No, your mate. I'm talking to your mate now, saying that he should hang up until you're not driving.
What mate?
The one we can hear on the speakers there.
Do you feel like that's a bit of harassment? The way you're just on my window.
Look, I can still hear him talking. The speaker's not in a good thing.
He's on my Bluetooth.
No, he's not.
He's on my Bluetooth.
I can hear him through the phone speakers. It's not harassment, because I'm not going to bother you again, not unless you're on your phone again. Anyway, if you don't use your phone, then you have no problem.